Well, today we're going to be installing the horse panel sections to act as a critter guard into the slots and the posts that I've put in. So I'll be cutting heights and lengths of horse panel to slide into these spots. If the length of the horse panel allows, I'll put a couple wire nails just to kind of hold them secure to the posts. If not allowed, then I'll just cut them a little bit long so they kind of cinch in there and fit in tightly.
So once you get the panels in, you build the deck around them.
Yes, what I'll basically do is run my panels just underneath of joist height here. My panels will be kind of snug against the bottom of the joist, which can allow me at the final an area to where I can come up under with a wire nail and tack my panel to the bottom of the joist with wire nails every so often, which will help to keep it even more secure. So
fantastic.
That's my goal.
Well, let's do it.
All right. We'll go 86 and an 8. First critter cut panel.
It'll keep horses out.
Yeah, exactly. Won't have any horses crawling under your deck.
Yeah, we're trying to prevent our cat from getting under there, and also any other critters like the raccoons around the area, and we've seen possum too, and any other varmints or neighborhood pets.
Lock or something.
Heavy duty.
It is some heavy duty stuff. I'll have to make some slight adjustments here to bring this down to ground level.
Wow.
But I cut this one out, cut this piece out, then I can hammer this thing down into the dirt, and then I can basically tack the slack here in a couple of spots. Shorten it up just a little bit, but get it tacked into the back of that rim joist, and I think that'll give us a pretty positive connection. I think a very, very effective. Take this one. Yeah, that looks good.
This will be a step right here. Set of steps, I guess. A couple of them, maybe.
At least one step. Maybe, you know, what we'll probably do there is maybe do a wider step instead of the 11.5 to 12 inches. Maybe we'll do one that's like 18 inches and make a landing sort of a thing.
Oh, that makes sense, yeah.
Give it, you know, a larger egress on this side, since this will be the side that you'll be, you know, packing stuff to the motorhome and things like that. You know, it'll give you
a little bit more of a landing, so you're not going to miss it blindly.
Yeah, a more comfortable area to step through.
Today, Chris installed the critter fence all around the perimeter of the deck. In addition, using the leftovers from cutting the fence, he turned them into clips to hold down the weed fabric.
What a great way of repurposing leftovers.